So I'm in Harbor Springs, Michigan. Beautiful place. Lots of boats. Like, too many boats. Apparently everyone here owns a boat except me. Then I spot Kilwins, Disneyland of sweets. It's where diets go to die happy. Their specialty is toasted coconut. Which sounds fancy, right? Toasted coconut. I don't even know who decided coconuts needed toasting, but bless that person. Now, here's the tragedy. They used to have chocolate caramel cashew ice cream. It's gone now. Nobody knows why. They just stopped making it. Like the ice cream equivalent of canceling your favorite TV show without a finale. But here's a pro move. Take cappuccino chocolate chip, blend it with chocolate caramel cashew when it existed in a waffle cone. It was the peak of my summer, like Christmas in July, but in June. Then you see Tuttles, similar to turtles, but on another level. Chocolate Tuttles, caramel Tuttles, basically candy Tuttles, and Mackinac Island fudge. They named fudge after an island. That's confidence. It's like if Manhattan had its own cheesecake. Wait, that actually happened. Kilwins is incredible. I walked in as a comedian, walked out as a candy investor. Harbor Springs, beautiful boats, life-changing ice cream, and the mystery of missing flavors. Subscribe and follow me on my next sugary adventure.